Welcome back to the AI-MCP Agent Use Case Library. I'm George Snyder, one of the developers. Today we step up from a single agent to a multi-agent solution, a small team of specialists that handwork to each other with a governance checkpoint built right in. Our use case, drafting insurance claim denial letters. Before we build the team, let's meet the specialists, because a multi-agent solution is assembled from individual agents you build first. Here's the first one, the denial drafter. Every agent draws on two key things. First, its knowledge base, here a library of the company's approved denial letter templates and the exact legal wording each state requires, so it never writes from scratch or invents anything. It works only from trusted material. And second, its instructions, written in plain English, that tell it exactly how to do its job, fill in every claim detail, include the right state's language and the customer's appeal rights, and never mark a letter ready without human sign-off. The second specialist, the quality reviewer, is built the very same way. It shares that same library of templates and rules, but its instructions give it a different job. Take the drafted letter, check it against a compliance checklist, and, most important of all, require that a person approves it before it can ever be sent. One agent writes the letter, the other checks it and stands guard. Now we combine those two agents in the multi-agent flow designer. The flow starts, runs the denial drafter, hands its work to the quality reviewer, and finishes. And multi-agent flows aren't limited to a simple line. You can run agents one after another, as we do here, branch them down different paths based on a condition, or run several at the same time and merge their results together. For claim denial, it's drafter, then reviewer, in order. The real magic is the handoff. Select the denial drafter and you can see it produces one result, the drafted letter. Now select the quality reviewer and that very same result is exactly what it works on. So the drafter's letter flows straight into the reviewer. The platform passes it between them automatically with nothing lost and no copy and paste. Let's run it on a real denied water damage claim. Watch the drafter compose the full denial letter, the claimant, the claim number, Arizona's required wording, the appeal rights. Then it hands off and the reviewer checks the letter against its checklist and returns a clear pass or fail verdict, ending every single time with the same rule. This letter must be approved by a human before it is sent. The history on the right shows each agent's turn and the letter handed between them. With the team tested, it's time to put it to work. Saving publishes it as a service, and here it's deployed as a simple chat window you can drop onto any website. A customer or a claims rep just asks about a denied claim, and the whole team runs behind the scenes and returns a fully drafted letter right in the browser with no login and nothing to install. A two-agent compliance workflow delivered as one friendly chat that's available around the clock. It also drops into Chat Assist, the workstation a live support agent uses, and this shows how a person and the AI work side by side. A customer writes in asking why their claim was denied. The support agent can reply in their own words straight away, a quick and human touch. Then, for the full, careful response, they turn to the AI. One click, and the same claim denial team drafts a complete, grounded reply behind the scenes, which the agent reviews and sends to the customer. The person stays in charge. The AI does the heavy lifting. And that's claim denial drafting as a multi-agent team. Two specialists, a drafter and a reviewer, each with its own knowledge and instructions, wired together on a single canvas with a human approval gate built in, and put to work in both a chat window and a live support desk, all without writing code. I'm George Snyder. I'll see you at the next AI-MCP use case deep dive into multi-agent solutions.